Hello everyone. So as you know, the first section B program is there. Write a Python program to demonstrate modification of an existing table data from MySQL database. Existing table data means already the table must be there in the Xampp MySQL, and then that data we have to modify. That is what they have told. So here the steps is already written, and some of the students are in confusion how to do that. So let me explain you regarding how to work on this. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to the Xampp, okay, which is already installed. No need to download and install it. It is already installed in your system. Even in exam also it is already installed. Okay, so you have to click on the Apache as well as the MySQL. This both the this server Apache as well as MySQL database, you have to click on that, and here you have to check it. 8012 is the port, so this port number you have to put that on URL. So now what you have to do, once you start both the buttons, you have to click on this admin. Okay, so once you click on this admin, this Internet Explorer will open, and here it will say can't reach this page. So what you have to do, you have to see the port, what exactly the port number is. The port number is 8012. If suppose it is not showing the phpMyAdmin, then you have to do like this. You have to put here colon, type here 8012 and press enter. Once you press enter, that time it will show this one. Okay, so this phpMyAdmin will come. Now what you have to do, you have to create the database. The new database you have to create, and here you have to type exam database you have to create. Okay, the database has been created. After this, what you have to do, you have to go here, create table is there, type here student. Number of columns 4 are there, let it be like that, only 4 column. Just click on go. So once you click on go button, so after this what it will do, it will create 4 fields, 1 2 3 4, where we have to add first ID, int is 20, and here we have to, don't forget this, you have to click on this auto increment, that is AI is there. You have to click on this auto increment, so automatically it will become a primary key. And here what you have to do, you have to put as in the instructions I have told you, create a database exam, create a table student, and add fields. First one what we have done, ID we have added. Next yes name, that is student name, CNAME, contact number and email. So what I'll do, I'll go here yes name, student name. So student name will make it as a varchar, that is variable character, and we have to put here 200. So after this, don't click on this AI, only for ID we have to click AI. Next is CNAME. It's better you put all in a small case, varchar 200. Next is what, email, type email here, variable character, make it as a 200. After this, only just save here, click on the save. Once you click on the save, it will create a table, that is student. If you click on that, it will show you all the details, ID as a primary key, student name, contact number, email. After this, manually you can insert the data. How you can insert? Here insert icon is there. Here you have to click on this insert. Okay, so after this, what you have to do, here you have to put the details. Okay, leave that ID as it is, automatically it will get incremented, that is 1 2 3 like that. So here only just student name, contact number, email you have to put. So first what I'll do, I'll put my name, it is Girish, and here I'll put my contact number 890 like this something email. So here not email, the contact number, and after this here gsmpt@gmail.com. I have added. So once I have added this, what I'll do, I'll just click on this go button. Once you click on this go button, so this all records will be added. No need to again click on this go button. Once you click, that is finished. Don't click on again here, it will show error. After this, what you have to do, you have to click on the browse button. So once you click on this browse button, it will show the records here. Okay, so like this 5 records you have to add. So 5 records means 5 records you have to insert. So I have inserted first record, the second record I am going to insert now, and here I'll put the number, that is the contact number, harish@gmail.com. So this is the second record which I am adding. Insert. After this, once again click on the browse button. Second will come here. Like this, third, fourth and fifth also you can click on this copy. Sorry, not this copy, this one. You can click on here copy. Okay, so it will create a duplicate element. Same here, Harish, Rajesh, like that. Here also put Rajesh. Click on go. So the third one is added. Again, if you want, you can insert here, or you can click on the copy button. Insert. Here I'll put Ramesh 9900. Like this, I'll put a contact number. Ramesh@gmail.com. So I have added here. So once I click on the browse button, so these all things are, like this we have to add 5 records. So I have added only 4 records. In exam you have to add 5 records. So once we have added these 5 records, so what you have to do, you have to go to the IDLE. Here IDLE 3.7 or 3.9 I have installed both. So any one of them you can go. So I'll go to the 3.9. So after this, what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll click on this new file, I'll save the file, save as. Here on desktop, I'll put as a modify Python files .py. Automatically it will come .py. So on desktop I have saved this file. Okay, modify.py on desktop. After this, what I'll do, see here, I'll minimize everything, I'll just show you. Here is the file modify. Okay, after this I'll write the code. The code is here, which I'm able to write. See, I have already inserted 5 records, and after this you can write this all code. Okay, so this code you have to write and you have to execute. That what happens, it will be affected here. It will whatever you make the changes, that will be affected on this one, on the table. Okay, so here first I will put import mysql.connector. So I have imported the MySQL, and after that I'll create that is connection mysql.connector.connect. Okay, so here host is equals to local host. Okay, so this is what the local host which will get connected, and after that user is equals to root ROOT, and after this password is equals to blank it is. And here the database which I have created is, what is the database name? It is exam. So I have created. Now what I have to do, I have to create a cursor which will help to execute the query, and cursor.cur.execute. So here you have to update the table data. So for that SQL query is there to update the table data. Here Girish is there, I'll just change it, I'll update it to Ganesh. Okay, so how you have to do? Here you have to write the code. Okay, so how you have to write the code? Update table name. What is the table name? Update student, that is the table name. Set yes name, that is student name, is equals to. So what exactly the student name is? The student name is Girish, that I'll change it to Ganesh. Ganesh, where ID is equals to 1, means the first ID is there, that. Okay, update student, set student name Ganesh, where ID is equals to, means the first one I have to change, ID is equals to 1, and after that cursor dot con dot commit, means the updation will, this commit what it will do, it will save, means it will affect here, it will changes the data. So after that cursor dot close, here I'll just put one message that record updated, something like that, record updated, like this, dot 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 dot. I'll save the file, I'll run the file. So once I run the file, see here, so record updated will come, and after this here record updated is done. I'll go here, I'll see Girish is there, but if I click on the browse button here, if I click on this browse button, so what happens? Girish will be changed to Ganesh. Okay, so now the first one I have to delete, that is the first row. So how I'll do? Here only you can do the changes. If examiner asks to delete the record using this Python code, then what I have to do? I have to go here, I have to make the changes. What I have to do? Here delete from student, that is the table name, where ID is equals to 1. The first record if I want to delete, I can use 1. If second record I want to delete, I can use 2, like this. Okay, and here record deleted, I'll put here like this, and then once I run the file, it will show record deleted. But here if I see record is already there, but if I click on the browse button, so it will get changed, record has been deleted. So I hope so everyone understood how we have to work. If I want to change both Harish as well as if I want to update both contact number as well as this student name, then what I have to do? I have to go to the code here, I have to change here, I have to change the code. So what exactly I have to write? Update student, okay, set that is yes name is equals to, the second record I want to change it to like Girish, yes name has to be Girish, and comma my contact number cnum is equals to like this 8901223 something like that if I put, and after this where ID is equals to sorry, not 1, this is the second record. See here, it is a second record, here is the second record. Okay, I want to update it, so where ID is equals to 2. Once I have done like this, I'll save the file and I'll run the file. Here I'll change it to record updated, save the file, and I'll run the file. Once I'll run the file, record updated, I'll just go here to this PHP my admin. Here again if I click on the browse, that record will get updated. So to Girish, the contact number is also changed. So like this you have to do. Okay, so that is the only just one I have given here for you for the easy purpose. And here one more is there, cursor execute select star from, means to display all the records from this database. To display all the records we have to use this one. Okay, so what exactly I have to do here in the code? You can use like select star from, like this details, same thing, commit is done, update is done, After that you can use this one. Instead of cursor close and everything, you can take this, you can copy this all, select star from students. For I, make sure that indentation must be in the proper. Okay, so after this, once I run the file, I'll run this file. So if I run the file, it will show all the details here. So like this details it has to show from the database, it has to fetch and it has to show. So this is what the program is about, section A first program. I hope so everyone understood. Thank you.